Brewing beer is an art by itself, and all forms of art have more in common with beer than you might think.
The Egyptians had several different varieties of beers.
Beer that you find in most chicherias anywhere in Peru. Even here in Einbeck, they call their beer Bock beer now. Like any big port city, Rotterdam is in love with beer.
This is the same principle of stark contrast that we find in paintings of the old masters.
It makes its way to bars not only in Vienna, but to beer bars all over the world. Gas was a rare beer glass. They used it for drinking games. Oh, wow, there's more wine on the nose than beer.